No, the jealous person wey run go front, their own risk dey different. Baba God still dey on your matter. Remember say na him get the timetable of destiny. Because your neighbors or your brothers or your sisters don dey make am, in fact they don pass you by far, e no mean say you no dey try, or e no mean say your own breakthrough no go come. Na Baba God dey run your matter. I sha believe say you know say fruit wey take time ripe then come let her fall when e don ripe well dey always sweet pass green one wey just fall anyhow, maybe because of breeze or maybe they shake the tree. Remember wetin God tell you for Ecclesiastes chapter 3 verse 11. Him dey make everything beautiful, everywhere go just sweet, stew anyhow for him own time.